Hi, it's Dr. Meyer. I wanted to show you how to use how to sign up for the PDFs. So basically you go to Google search or you just go to Google and type in drshelleymeyer.com. And then when you're there, when you arrive at the website, you will scroll down and it says, please sign up on the form to get all the PDF links. You'll just put in your information. I don't spam you with any extra stuff. You just get the email with information about the topic for the week of the video and extra information, usually to my subscribers. And then you will have access, as soon as you sign up with your email address, you'll have access to all of the PDFs that I create. So these can vary from all the way from the ones I created when I started the channel all the way up to present day. So they have lots of gut health and hormone health related topics. So you'll have access to all of those as soon as you sign up to be a part of our community. So you do that, you sign up, hit submit, and you're all good there. Then next, that will take you to a thank you page for signing up. And then you'll have access. So you just go to your inbox then, make sure you check your email and make sure you look in your spam folder if you're looking for it. And that is it. So I really appreciate you signing up. I'm so glad to have you as a subscriber and to have you have access to the PDFs. Please let me know if you have any questions. A way to reach me directly, the best way, is to join my Mighty Networks private network, and that information is in the end of every video on the description page. And that way you can ask me questions directly. So I hope to see you there. Thanks for joining. Bye.